Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an incredibly exciting topic to discuss. We're diving into the world of billionaires and their secrets to making money. And who better to learn from than the legendary Elon Musk himself? In this video, we'll be exploring a fascinating interview where Elon Musk shares his thoughts on the traditional job market and why he believes we should stop looking for jobs. It's a bold statement, but coming from a billionaire entrepreneur like Musk, it's definitely worth paying attention to. Throughout the video, we'll be dissecting Musk's insights and discussing the reasons behind his unconventional perspective. We'll explore the idea of creating your own opportunities and finding innovative ways to generate income. This isn't just about making money, it's about embracing a mindset that can lead to financial freedom and success. By the end of this video, you can expect to gain a fresh perspective on the traditional job market and discover alternative paths to financial prosperity. We'll be sharing practical tips and strategies that you can implement in your own life, inspired by Elon Musk's wisdom. So, if you're ready to challenge the status quo and learn from one of the most influential billionaires of our time, then keep watching. Get ready to unlock the secrets to making money and stop looking for a job, according to Elon Musk. In the world of entrepreneurship and wealth creation, few names carry as much weight as Elon Musk. Born in South Africa in 1971, Musk has become one of the most influential and innovative figures of our time. He is the co-founder of companies like PayPal, Tesla Motors, SpaceX, and Neuralink, each revolutionizing its respective industry. Musk's success story is not without its fair share of challenges and obstacles. From facing financial difficulties early in his career to dealing with multiple failed ventures, Musk has experienced the highs and lows of entrepreneurship. However, he never let setbacks deter him from pursuing his dreams. One of the key lessons Musk imparts is the importance of thinking outside the box and not relying solely on traditional job opportunities. He believes that the path to financial success lies in creating your own opportunities and embracing a mindset of innovation and problem solving. In a famous interview, Musk boldly stated, "Stop looking for a job." His message is clear. Instead of seeking employment, focus on developing your skills, identifying market gaps, and creating your own ventures. Musk encourages individuals to take risks, challenge the status quo, and pursue their passions. By following Musk's advice, you can tap into your entrepreneurial spirit and unlock the potential to make money on your own terms. In this video, we will delve deeper into Musk's insights and explore the challenges and opportunities associated with his philosophy. Get ready to be inspired and empowered to take control of your financial future. Key points. 1. Traditional job market limitations. Elon Musk emphasizes that relying solely on traditional job opportunities can limit your financial success. Instead, he encourages individuals to think outside the box and create their own opportunities. 2. Embrace innovation and problem solving. Musk believes that the path to financial success lies in embracing innovation and actively seeking solutions to existing problems. By identifying market gaps and developing unique solutions, individuals can create their own ventures and generate income. 3. Take calculated risks. Musk encourages individuals to take calculated risks and not be afraid of failure. He himself has faced numerous setbacks, but never let them deter him from pursuing his dreams. Taking risks can lead to new opportunities and ultimately financial success. 4. Develop entrepreneurial skills. Musk emphasizes the importance of developing entrepreneurial skills. This includes honing your problem-solving abilities, being adaptable, and continuously learning and improving. These skills are essential for creating and managing your own ventures. 5. Financial freedom through entrepreneurship. By creating your own opportunities and ventures, you can achieve financial freedom. Musk's success story serves as an inspiration for individuals to break free from the traditional job market and pursue their passions and dreams. 6. Pursue your passions. Musk believes that pursuing your passions and interests is key to finding success and fulfillment. By aligning your work with your passions, you are more likely to be motivated and dedicated, leading to greater financial success. 7. Think long-term. Musk encourages individuals to think long-term and not be swayed by short-term gains. Building sustainable ventures and focusing on long-term growth can lead to greater financial stability and success. Remember, the key to financial success lies in embracing innovation, taking calculated risks, developing entrepreneurial skills, and pursuing your passions. By following these principles, you can create your own opportunities and achieve financial freedom. When a billionaire like Elon Musk decides to teach you how to make money and encourages you to stop looking for a job, it sparks a lot of curiosity and debate. On one hand, Musk's success and wealth make him a credible source of advice. He has built multiple successful companies and has a net worth in the billions. His unconventional thinking and ability to identify market gaps have led to groundbreaking innovations. Musk argues that relying solely on traditional job opportunities can limit your financial success. He believes in creating your own opportunities and pursuing your passions. By thinking outside the box and embracing innovation, you can identify market gaps and create your own ventures. This approach requires taking calculated risks and being adaptable to change. However, there are contrasting viewpoints. Some argue that not everyone has the resources or opportunities to become a billionaire like Musk. They believe that traditional job opportunities provide stability and security, especially for those with limited financial means or responsibilities. It's important to consider both perspectives. While Musk's advice can be inspiring and empowering, it's crucial to assess your own circumstances and capabilities. Building your own ventures requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn from failures. So, what do you think? Is it realistic for everyone to follow Musk's advice and stop looking for a job? Or are traditional job opportunities still valuable for most people? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. In conclusion, the insights shared by Elon Musk about making money and the limitations of traditional job opportunities are thought-provoking and inspiring. By embracing innovation, thinking outside the box, and creating your own opportunities, you can unlock your potential for financial success and fulfillment. The key takeaways from this discussion are: 1. Traditional job opportunities have limitations and may not lead to financial freedom. It is important to explore alternative paths and create your own opportunities. 2. Embracing innovation and problem solving is crucial for success. By identifying market gaps and developing unique solutions, you can create your own ventures and generate income. 3. Taking calculated risks and being adaptable to change are essential qualities for entrepreneurship. Failure should not deter you, but rather serve as a learning experience. 4. Pursuing your passions and aligning your work with your interests can lead to greater motivation and success. Remember, the path to financial success requires hard work, dedication, and continuous learning. So, take action today. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who may benefit from these insights. Stay tuned for more valuable content and explore related videos on our channel. Together, let's embark on a journey towards financial freedom and fulfillment.